Okay, this is Christina Aguilera, Hurt, no music. Okay? Oh, it's for you, Keisha. Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I knew what I know today. Ooh, ooh. I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Give all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself by hurting you. Some days I feel broken inside, but I won't admit. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you I miss. And it's so hard to say goodbye when it comes to this. Ooh, would you tell me I was wrong? Would you help me understand? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have just one more chance to look into your eyes and see you looking back. Whoa, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself. Whoa, if I had just one more day, I would tell you how much that I've missed you since you've been away. Whoa, whoa, it's dangerous. It's so out of line to try and turn back time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself by hurting you. Hope you like that, darling. Bye, everybody.